Hey there. Hey there, sweetie. You gonna take a bath? I haven't seen you in a while. I saw you fly straight at me. Go ahead, take a bath. Go ahead. That's Cat's baby. Well, hello. You're friendly, just like your daddy. Go on in. Yes, you're safe. And it's Cat. Oh, wow. What a special moment. Cat. Sweet Cat. And your baby. Hi, Cat. I know there's not a lot of water in there. Sweet Cat, thanks for singing all summer and on command. Blue gotcha. Blue, why do you do that? Every time. That's why Cat doesn't come around anymore. Well, finally you got to see the ruckus that goes on between these two. They hate each other. It's like they're jealous or something. Bummer, but I'm so glad I got that all on film. Baby cat, daddy cat. Yeah, Cat's a male. And Blue doing what he thinks because maybe he lives here year round, he has the say, because catbirds migrate. But Cat has migrated back to me. This is the 5th year. 2019, 20, 21, 22. Yep, 5th year. And see how he allows his baby to come right. It's like, oh, hello there, pretty Blue. All right, ciao for now. Have a great one. Peace.